All organisms require nutrients to sustain life. A nutrient is any food or substance that provides essential elements for metabolism. Some nutrients, like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, supply energy, while others, including water, electrolytes, minerals, and vitamins, are critical for metabolic processes. The overall process by which an organism takes in and uses these elements for growth, repair, and activity maintenance is called nutrition. Organisms can be categorized by their nutritional methods into autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophic nutrition. This type of nutrition is seen in organisms that can create their own organic food from inorganic substances. Autotrophic organisms are essential for ecosystem as they form the base of the food chain by producing energy-rich compounds that other organisms depend on. Autotrophs can be divided into photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen in a process called photosynthesis. Chlorophyll captures sunlight, which derives a series of reactions to produce glucose and release oxygen as a byproduct. This glucose is then used to fuel various metabolic processes. Examples include green plants, algae, and cyanobacteria. Chemoautotrophs obtain energy by oxidizing inorganic chemicals like hydrogen sulfide or ammonia instead of relying on the sunlight. Chemosynthesis occurs in environments where sunlight is absent, like deep sea hydrothermal vents. Chemoautotrophs oxidize chemicals to produce energy, which they use to synthesize organic molecules. For example, certain bacteria, such as those found in oceanic vents and sulfur rich environments. Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic organisms cannot produce their own food, so they depend on organic substances which they acquire by consuming other organisms or organic matter.